This episode of How Easy Is It, we are going to show you how to do an email broadcast. Let's say you have something very important you want to send out to a list of people today. Well, what happens is the list, when you build a page and people opt into it, you're going to attach our autoresponder to it. And when you have an autoresponder, you're going to name those autoresponders. For example, when I click on the autoresponder, here's just an example of two lists right here. One I have called New Launch, one called Millionaires New Launch. Let's say I wanted to send these 4,000 people an email right now, okay? What I would do, remember, I click on my autoresponder and I find my list that has all the contacts that I want to send an email to. I simply click on a view button, and then at the top, I can click on email broadcast and then click a blue button that says create a new message, okay? Once I'm here, I can type any subject line, I can type any email I want, and I hit send, and within usually under 10 minutes, this message will get sent out to that entire list. So you can literally have a list inside the Conversion Pros and send email to it anytime you want. Now, the autoresponder, you can have an email series set up that will drip on them. You can have an email going out every single day if you want to. But let's say your company launches a new product, or you change the compensation plan, or you have a call or a webinar that you need to get out to all these people. Well, it's simple. Again, click on your autoresponder, find your list, click on email broadcast at the top, create a subject line and a body of an email, whatever you want to do, and hit send, and that email will literally go out to every single person on that list. That's how easy it is to do an email broadcast to your list in the Conversion Pros.